again. See you there. Well, my name is Joe Valles. As you can see, I do small engine repairs. Also, not only small engines and stuff, but also, motorcycles, trucks, cars, stuff like that. Anything that I can get my hands on. Also, I also go ahead and do a little bit of everything. Some household appliances, stuff like that. I do this for mostly just for the fun of it. What I know and everything, I like to teach. I can go ahead and show you some easy pointers, or I can go ahead and take you through a complete rebuild of a chainsaw so you can get yours running. And also any other type of small engine, 2-cycle engine, lawnmowers or weed eaters and stuff like that. Please stay tuned to my upcoming videos, and please go ahead and subscribe. Press the bell icon if you'd like to go ahead and be notified for more of my videos. Thank you very much.